Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I'm here to show you a quick walk around of the updated 2021 Tata Nexon. But first, here's a quick word on our sponsors. This video is sponsored by Boodmo.com, the spare parts expert. Any brand, any model, any spare part, they offer only genuine quality components along with the cheapest and more expensive options all at one place for you. You can check out their website at Boodmo.com or download the Boodmo app, which is available for Android devices and iOS as well. You can search for the required spare part in the proper category from the scrolling menu on the home screen, and you can also check out the available offers displayed on the home screen as well. Boodmo also offers return and refund assurance within 10 days of purchase. If you don't like the spare part, you can return it within 10 days without any hassle. Boodmo, the spare parts expert and quite literally the one-stop shop for all your automotive spare part needs. The Tata Nexon is one among the best-selling compact SUVs in the Indian market, offering segment-besting safety features as standard, along with great all-round comfort. After the 2020's facelift, the Tata Nexon XZ Plus, XZ Plus S and XZ Plus optional variants have been updated with these new 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, which are more funky in design and remind us of the Tata H5X concept showcased in 2018. While the Tata Nexon is nice and butch to look at from the front, the rear fascia is quite funky with the white ceramic beltline running all around the car, dividing opinions among buyers. Silver finished roof rails are standard from the mid-spec XM variant itself, while a rear windshield wiper washer with defogger is available from the XZ Plus variant onwards. Compared to the previous 8-spoke, rather simple-looking alloy wheels, these 5-spoke ones may divide opinions. However, when viewed in person, they look really good. Along with the alloy wheels, Tata Motors has also updated the roof rail design, which now extend to the complete length of the roof. While these 16-inch alloy wheels are available from the XZ Plus variant onwards, projector headlamps and LED DRLs are available as standard across all variants. That said, front fog lamps along with these multifunctional LED DRLs are available from the XZ variant onwards only. Overall, in terms of looks, in the compact SUV category, the Tata Nexon is easily one among the best looking cars. Opening the rather heavily built doors of the Tata Nexon, you get to see a beautiful looking beige and black interior color theme, and this being the top spec variant, it is also fully loaded with features. The quality of materials and interior ambience has improved since the 2020 facelift, and there is also the patterned white ceramic-like finish running across the width of the dashboard. Except for the entry-level XE variant, all variants offer an audio system with this 7-inch touchscreen system available from the XZ variant onwards along with 8 Harman speakers. From the XZ Plus variant onwards, the Nexon also gets automatic climate control, which can also be operated using voice commands, while the top-spec XZ Plus S and the optional variants get express cool function as well. Multiple drive modes are standard on all variants, while features like a height-adjustable driver seat, front center armrest and the tambo door storage are available only from the XZ Plus variant onwards. While the touchscreen system no longer gets manual controls on the dashboard, it still gets other functionalities such as steering-mounted audio controls and voice commands. The top-spec XZ Plus S and optional variants also provide tire pressure monitoring system. The rear seats of the Tata Nexon are also easily the best in the compact SUV category currently. There is more than enough room for all passengers with more than enough under-thigh support for all passengers, offering almost a sofa-like experience. An electric sunroof with anti-pinch function is available on the XMS, XZ Plus S and the XZ Plus optional variants alone. And the rear AC vents are available as standard from the XZ variant onwards, while rear seat adjustable headrests, 60/40 split folding function and a center armrest are available only from the XZ Plus variant onwards. Engine options available on the Tata Nexon compact SUV include a 1.2-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 120 PS of maximum power and 170 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automated manual gearbox. There is also the 1.5-litre 4-cylinder Revotorq turbo diesel engine producing 110 PS of maximum power and 260 Nm of maximum torque through the same 6-speed manual or AMT options. The pearlescent white color available on the Tata Nexon further complements the overall design, making it look like a mini Land Rover. That said, while the Tata Nexon is a great all-rounder, it still misses out on certain features such as an auto-dimming IRVM, rear-wheel disc brakes and most importantly side curtain airbags. Talking about safety features, all variants of the Tata Nexon get dual airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program with traction control, hill hold assist, rollover mitigation, electronic brake prefill and brake disc wiping function as standard. With remote central locking being available from the XM variant onwards, a reverse parking camera being available from the XZ variant onwards, and rear windshield wiper washer with defogger being available from the XZ Plus variant onwards. The topmost XZ Plus optional variant also offers connected car features including geofencing and live tracking. That was a quick summary of the 2021 updated Tata Nexon. This is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.